Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everybody, my name is Kiki Salsa
And my name is Deta Mahayu Pramesti.
we will plot in the Prambanan Temple Market area.
Location in the Prambanan Temple area. Prambanan Market is location in Bokoharjo, village Prambanan, Sleman, Yogyakarta.
Here we'll plot the interview some of the churches who are here about how their economy is doing since before the pandemic, during the pandemic, and after the COVID-19 pandemic.
The economy is the most important sector in sustainable economic development in national order. The level of state income in the economic sector can affect national development. In 2020, there was a COVID-19 pandemic, resulting in volatile economic growth. Various economic activities ranging from the tourism sector to trade forced to close their business and lay off their employees. This to support government regulation to implement social distancing. This way, of course, have a direct impact on the nation's economy because there will be many reduction in the work activities outside the home. On the other hand, the COVID-19 pandemic also has a direct impact on the various jobs in the tourism sector. According to BPS 2020 data, around 409,000 workers in the tourism sector have lost their jobs due to the COVID-19 pandemic. For example, at the Prambanan Temple in Yogyakarta in the tourism sector, the manager must close the tourism attraction so that the traders in the Prambanan Temple market are affected. They have to go out of business. Things to do for minimize the chain of spread of the COVID-19 virus. On the other hand, the COVID-19 pandemic also has a direct impact on the various jobs in the tourism sector. According to BPS 2020 data, around 409,000 workers in the tourism sector have lost their jobs due to the COVID-19 pandemic. For example, at the Prambanan Temple in Yogyakarta in the tourism sector, the manager must close the tourism attraction so that the traders in the Prambanan Temple market are affected. They have to go out of business. Things to do for minimize the chain of spread of the COVID-19 virus.
Lucia Katarina. Lucia dengan
Bapak Enceng.
Pak Enceng. Ini di sini menjual apa saja yang ada di sini?
Macam-macam ya, banyak Mak modelnya, ya souvenir gitu, aksesoris, hiasan dinding.
Terus kalau sebelum pandemi itu gimana Bu usahanya?
Tutup 2 tahun tutup, ya.
Gimana pendapatannya Bapak Ibu?
Pendapatan zong Mbak, nggak ada pemasukan sama sekali selama pandemi 2 tahun nggak ada pemasukan.
Ya terus kalau ini kan udah berangsur,
Ya.
udah kembali normal itu gimana pendapatannya? Kembali
Ya.
normal atau?
Pendapatannya ya lumayan lah, sudah normal kayak dulu sebelum pandemi saat ini.
Ada peningkatan gitu ya?
Belum sih, kalau peningkatan belum, masih standar-standar aja.
Tuh harapan kedepannya gimana Bapak Ibu?
Lebih baik lagi, terus lebih lancar lagi gitu. Semoga nggak ada pandemi lagi.
Dengan Ibu siapa?
Raja.
Bu Meraja. Oh iya. Ibu selama masa pandemi COVID-19 kan gimana Bu? Selama penjualannya
Ya rada kurang Mbak nih, ada corona nih.
oh semenjak ada corona jadi
Nggak jualan 2 tahun.
oh 2 tahun.
Jualan sampai bodoh itu loh Mbak.
Oh lebaran. Oh. Tapi alhamdulillah sekarang udah meningkat.
Ya,
oh,
udah.
meningkat. Pan ke depannya gimana, Bu?
Ya jualan terus Mbak.
Oh.
Ya jualan terus ini kan di kasih sama PT.
Oh, dikasih
Kan
PT.
cuma pajak, nah nggak kontrak, nggak apa.
Oh, gitu. Ibu dengan nama siapa?
Di Siti Daro.
Terus selama ibu pandemi gimana?
Di rumah.
Di rumah aja. Oh, jadi belum ada kemajuan gitu sebelum
Selama pandemi kan tidak boleh jualan.
nggak boleh jualan. Oh.
Iya, ditutup semua.
Ditutup.
Iya,
Oh.
tamannya ini ditutup. Jadi
Terus kembali ke buka lagi
Ya,
kapan?
baru antara 3 bulanan.
3 bulan ini ya, berarti baru ini. Oh.
Tapi sebelum Lebaran.
Oh.
Itu.
Pendapatannya gimana, Bu?
Ya, setelah ini ya dapatlah sedikit-sedikit. Kalau selama pandemi kan libur di rumah.
Oh.
Kan 2 tahun.
Berarti alhamdulillah sekarang udah mulai membaik ya, Bu ya. Iya.
Baru mulai bergerak lagi.
Oh iya.
Dengan Ibu siapa?
Ibu Emiliana.
Nah, dari mana Ibu?
Dari Samarinda.
Kesini
Rangka liburan.
oh ya.
Iya, jadi jalan-jalan. Pengen lihat Candi Prambanan. Iya, itu baru pertama kali, kebetulan kan pertama kali ini kami lihat. Sangat indah. Sangat luar biasa. Bangga Indonesia punya.
Terus pendapat Ibu tentang kebersihan di lingkungan ini gimana?
Bersih, ya, sangat bersih ya.
In 2022, from the national economy and tourism sectors, which occur in the midst of the transition period that is increasingly considered and followed by effective policies to improve the national economy. Based on data from the Central Statistic Agency, the Indonesian economy in the first quarter of 2022 improved with a growth of 5.1%. This figure has increased compared to the beginning of the 2020 pandemic with a figure of only 2.97% on an annual basis. Now, the tourism sector has been reformed by the government. Now, many traders here have opened their stalls or shops which have been closed for 2 years. Not only that, domestic tourists and foreign tourists also come a lot. Traders are now happy and grateful from the being able to open a business and find income again to support their daily needs.
This video about how the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the traders after the Prambanan Temple.
We have also received information from our source and also toured around the Prambanan Temple. We both say goodbye. I'm Kiki Salsa and my partner
Deta Mahayu. Thank you for watching this video.
hopefully it will be useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.